Good morning. This is Ruben from R&D Collision and Auto Detail. We are here. We have a new project. Sorry for the background. I'm listening to a podcast. You guys ever listen to the HWMF podcast? It's great to listen to. A lot of BS, but it's good BS. So here we're doing another interior detailing. Let me show you the interior. Obviously, this is pretty bad. And we're just gonna do a little courtesy wash for the guy. But what we're doing today is this. Looks like someone had a little mishap there. All that's gonna come out, hopefully. And then the buttons. Which aren't that bad. So I'm waiting for the disinfectant to start making its little disinfecting time. Give it 30 minutes. By then, I should have everything set up. I have vacuum, the steamer, and the extractor. So I'm getting all the chemicals ready, and hopefully this thing go really quick. So let's start getting everything ready. Start working. All right. So now let me show you what it looks like. I already took the floor mats out. I took the major things. I still have to vacuum everything. Headliner's pretty messed up. Seats, trim panels. This is gonna be a pretty bad detail. I don't think it's the worst I've seen, but it's up there. So I'm gonna start continuing vacuuming, and I'll take you guys after it's been vacuumed. All right, and so we've vacuumed it. We started working with the steamer. We started cleaning the door trim panel. Obviously, we have to hit it up again just to kind of break down the dirt. The center console, dash, steering wheel. We're working on the rear now. Obviously haven't hit the carpet or anything, but it's a little bit of a challenge, this one. All right, so I finished up cleaning the trims. It's hard to see because of all the sunshine shining on it, but we're going to be now extracting the seats, the carpets. This is where it's gonna get bad. Obviously the driver's seat, but we're going for better on this one, not perfection. It's pretty bad. So yeah, let's get this thing extracted. I'm letting it heat up, so I'm able to use. Sorry for shaking the camera so much. Cleaning up all the mess I have inside. All right, and just like that, the car is all extracted inside. It's been dressed. I put a odor neutralizer on it. It does, like, those heavy stains were some sort of food, maybe beans or something. So now I'm going to give it a courtesy little wash, and I'll put you guys up on the hood, and you guys see that in time lapse. All right, so I completely beat this detail. I was a little bit on the extreme side. Came out phenomenal. Just now, gotta wait for the customer to pick it up. You always gotta leave the windows also a little bit cracked so all the moisture doesn't get trapped inside the car. That is very important. Always let your customers know that. So I will catch you guys next video. If you guys like, subscribe, comment, and again, this is Ruben from RD Collision in Detail, and I'll catch you guys next time.